What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and an amazing week. My name is Min and I have been doing nails for 15 plus years, and my goal is really to share with you all my experience, all my knowledge, so y'all can become a great nail tech and have a good career. And today, y'all, I want to talk about how new licensed nail tech going to get clientele, yo. That's hard, man. You know what I mean? But we gonna have a solution by the end of this video. But I know how y'all feel. I know how y'all feel. I've been there. Man, when you don't got the client, it's gonna make you feel miserable, yo. It's gonna feel like you don't wanna have this job no more. It's gonna make you feel like you wasted your time. Everything's gonna be negative, yo. But you know what? It's not the end of the world. By the end of this video, we're gonna solve this problem together. Okay, you and me. Like today, y'all, I feel like it's so much easier to find clientele. I do. Let me tell y'all why. If y'all were getting your license and y'all got it, right? Y'all about to build this career, okay? I recommend y'all go to a salon and work, yo. I know some of y'all be thinking like, oh, I can work from home and da. But I tell you what, you can work from home all you want. That depends on how comfortable you are with your income. But I'm not talking to y'all. I'm talking to the individual, okay? I'm talking to the individual who are struggling of getting clients. Struggling of trying to pay bills, but love what they do. You know what I mean? So go work at salon, y'all. Why? Because at the salon, it's exposed to the public. You work from home, nobody gonna know you do nails in there. Nobody. I drive by your house, I see home. I don't see nail salon. But I drive in the supermarket, I see big ass sign. Nail salon. You feel me? Go work at the salon. Build your client there. Make your mistake. You know what I mean? Shoot. See what they do wrong, so that one day you don't make that same mistake. You know what I mean? Start at the salon, okay? Y'all might be like, oh, I don't want to work at salon. They use nasty chemical. You know what? Look, I don't give a damn what chemical they use. Buy your own. You know what I mean? Buy your own. Get your feet wet, boo. Okay? Don't be shy. Once you get your feet wet, let's go to part 2. Connect with the client, yo. Okay? Connect with the client. Okay? When you get an opportunity at a salon, they giving y'all client. Practice your craft on them. Okay? Connect with them, because let me tell y'all why. The clients, they gonna love you for your personality. They can care less about your craft if you make them laugh, if you listen to their story, if you talk to them, and if you at least produce what they ask for. That's it, y'all. Okay? I'm gonna try and make this easy for y'all. Okay? I'm gonna try to make it easy, yo. That's how easy to get the client, okay? I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet. Once you connect with the client, okay, you know they're gonna come back steadily, okay? Educate them. Don't just talk about their bullshit. Educate them. Hey, you know, your nails this condition right here. You might have to come back at least every 3 weeks so that I can maintain your nails. You tell them that. You show them that you just care about them. They're gonna be like, okay, can I make, you know what I mean? You got, that lead to the next thing. You gotta sell yourself, y'all. Okay? Y'all don't think this is a sell marketing? Huh? Huh? Talk to me. Leave it in the comment if you want to. Huh? Y'all don't think becoming a nail tech is like sell marketing? You gotta market yourself every day. That leads to what? What about your social media, boo? What about your social media? Tell me. Tell me. Are you posting that consistently? Does some of the people that follow you know you do now? You post anything letting people know that you do nails? You don't, huh? That's what I'm talking about, y'all. In this generation, it is so much easier to build clientele. But y'all got to do it. You gotta be active on social media, okay? That is the key. You work at the salon, that's how you get yourself recognized. You built the client from the salon, but once you build client from the salon, you gotta make sure you let people know. You gotta let people know that you are a nail tech. And how do you do that? You go on social media and you blast a bunch of your goddamn picture on there. Okay? After this video, I want y'all to go on your phone, y'all pick one of your goddamn works, and y'all be proud of it. Okay? Y'all be freaking proud of it. Okay? And y'all post that shit. I'm not playing around with y'all. Okay? I'm trying to help y'all out here. I'm trying to be real and help y'all out here. Okay? Because think about this. If you work at a salon and your ass is busy, but you ain't trying to advertise yourself in other area, how you gonna venture on your own? How you gonna own a business one day? Because your ass is stuck at that salon because nobody knows you besides that salon. So that's why y'all gotta get on top of your social media game, yo. Okay? If you got Facebook, y'all can write your lovely life. Ooh, today I got some clients, you know, y'all should book with me. I specialize in this. Okay? Y'all got Instagram, easy. Take a snapshot every time you finish a set. Boom, put it on there, okay? Doesn't matter who's looking at it. Doesn't matter. Somebody's looking at it. That's all matter. You feel me? That's all I gotta say, y'all. If y'all focus on that thing to start out as the beginner's nail tech with a license, y'all gonna start accumulating clientele very fast. I guarantee you, okay? And at the same time, let me end y'all with this. If y'all new to the industry, start saying yes to every single damn service, okay? If y'all not good at it, be good at it. But y'all start setting up some crazy ass rules where clients cannot book with y'all. Y'all start coming with all kind of rules where y'all don't want to work on certain type of nails. And y'all new to the industry, man, y'all might as well to dig yourself a hole and bury yourself, because that is not how the industry works, y'all. You feel me? Shoot. I'm trying to keep it real with y'all, man. I've been doing this for 15 plus years, y'all. Been doing too long. I see all the good and bad, and I'm trying to give y'all all the good. You feel me? Hey, if you find this video useful and you are ready to go out and build that clientele, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel, and I will continue producing amazing content for y'all. I really appreciate y'all so much. And if y'all want to learn how to do a pedicure from start to finish, check out this video right here, y'all. I am out.